What's up? It's January, not the 1st because we had to postpone this, but it's the first week of January and we're doing our lake jump that I do every year here at Percy Priest Lake. But this year is going to be different because Kip Moore and Maddie and Tay and Canaan Smith are going to come out here and meet us today. They don't know they're jumping in the water, but I guess it's tradition. All right, it's feeling good. It's cool. January, I know it's a little cold, but I feel like if we can conquer this time of year and pretend like it's summertime right now, then when June rolls around, okay. I mean, we're gonna be like the best tour out there in the road. We're gonna be killing the summer, crushing it, having more fun than anyone else out there. So I just want to get us together now and kind of get,
get in
the spirit.
Great bonding time.
Right. Boot camp, bonding time for Sounds of Summer. Let's go just jump on a boat ride. Just go kind of take a tour around.
Boat ride.
It's really cold. None of these clothes are on my mouth.
I'm thinking about backing out of this whole tour.
I have come out here to this lake and jumped in the water to start the year off. You wash off the year before you, get the positive vibes rolling for the next year.
Hang on, wait, hang on, one second.
Yeah, what?
Keep talking.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think he's talking about it.
I knew something was up.
Just have a sip of that and
I
just
knew
think about it.
something was up.
Thank you, Smokey. You're for real talking about jumping in this right now.
Come on, y'all. Come on, Asen. Sneak on 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. Sounds of Summer 2015. Getting started. This
Dude, you're crazy.
it's so warm, guys. It's so warm.
Oh! I am jumping in.
Okay, it's warm.
Is it insane?
It's a little chilly.
We
got two. We got 2 committed.
I'm gonna jump into my damn jeans.
Come
I
on, man.
gotta wear this back
I
to the house.
got a bikini for you, maybe, or no? What I got for you? Here. I got these babies. Found some you found wetsuits in there?
What in
the hell? What? That's
You know
bullshit.
what? My purse is.
You guys found wetsuits in there?
Yeah.
Are there any more left?
No, I think there was a bikini for you. We had a feeling something was going to happen, so we came prepared just in case, because we knew you were. Do we really?
You're my hero. I'm honored to be on this tour with you, bro.
Thank you, dude.
We're gonna kill it every night. You ready?
Come on!
Sounds of Summer,
Come on!
Okay, Dierks, we love you, or we would not be doing this. I don't want to. Okay, here, look, we got this together. It's gonna be warm. It's gonna be warm. It's gonna be warm. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, it's freaking cold!
Come on, Kip. Waiting on one. Come on.
The water's you can do it.
Holy shit.
Yeah! Mother! Yeah! Come on! Sounds of Summer 2015.
Huddle up.
We're already.
We survived our boot camp.
Boot
Yeah, we
camp's
did.
over. It's time to take it on the road. We got about 5 months to prepare. So we'll be ready.
And we're not doing this again.
No. See you guys. See you guys on the road this summer. Sounds of Summer.
Sounds of Summer.
2015. We'll see you guys out there.
Best show on the road.